Hello there, Board of Directors. My name is Richard Luna. I am a compliance officer here. I've been in the Navy for 20 years and now working here as one of your briefers. And thank you for your time. Today we're going to go over more rights to healthcare. The question here is, well, it's not really a question. Healthcare is a moral right. Call it unethical, but only in America, where the level of care you receive is very dependent on your status in our society. As an institution here in our local community, we stand along with them as far as their health and well-being as our priority. Yes, poverty is all over the place, even in the areas around us. Poverty and health are viewed as human right and equity and puts us in a valuable guidance to work and affect change for an equal opportunity for the health and well-being and the people that we serve here. Franklin D. Roosevelt in 1943 proposed the Second Bill of Rights. He mentioned that the people have the right to adequate medical care and an opportunity to achieve and enjoy good health. So what are we really focusing on? Or what we need to focus or refocus back? Our mission. Look at what we are here for and who we are as a healthcare leaders, not only sitting in this desk in our offices in this organization, but as an institution that distinguishes us from the rest of the community you serve. This is our end goal for our patients. Our vision reflects from our short, brief, and memorable statement that our staff aspire to be and do to contribute to our organization. Let's not forget that people is our number one asset, and this brings out the best of our organization to strive for in order to provide that best and top quality care. The values. Values identify us as far as the process and procedures and distinguish us and excite ideas of innovation from all of our staff. Code of Ethics. Code of Ethics is a conduct is how we conduct and interact within our own and our patient. This can be behavior, integrity, and respect. Behavior. Persons who conduct themselves unprofessional will not be tolerated and should be held and will be held accountable for their actions. We had to set a standard, and they had to meet that standard. Integrity. Professional personnel are certified, credentialed, and do the best at what they do that bring values to meet our mission and supporting our mission, like from the previous slide. Respect. Mutual respect applies to all in organization setting that sets the tone that foster good order and discipline within the staff. This will improve morale and esprit de corps. There is nothing more than to have a work space where our staff and patient can interact together with dignity and respect. Cultural competency with regards to patient needs and surveys. Cultural competency is to provide culturally competent care for our diverse population needs such as language barriers. Those patient needs can be language, clothing, diet, and religion that are present daily, that walks in and out through our doors. These are also gender-specific requests. Surveys are important in order to meet those patient needs. Information derived from our survey comes from focus group, community feedback. This drives the quality of care that we provide and improve on those for future healthcare. Lastly, the Stark Law. Stark Law was enacted in 1989 by Congressman Peter Stark that sponsored the bill. Physician referrals. The bill barred healthcare providers from conducting self-referral for services originally intended for clinical laboratories, radiology, and pharmacy, in which healthcare providers have invested or vested for their own interests when it comes to fraud. This is not tolerated. It will not be tolerated. These self-referrals are work not done by the providers and are consist of over the phone, email, verbal, handwritten, or electronic referrals. They are all illegal. My conclusion to this is that as a organization, we have to hold not only ourselves accountable first, and also our staff to meet the demands of our patients. These are my reference. If there's any questions, comment, concern, please let me know. Have a great day.